So the scientific method is fundamental to science, and one of the things a lot of people don't realize is that their ancestors have been using the scientific method long before it was called that. Whether they were farming, whether they were Native American fishermen, they were posing questions about their environment, about what they are observing, and then testing their tentative answers to those questions about the things that they would see. And that was essential to their survival, for helping their crops grow and dealing with pests, or being able to catch salmon and understand the world around them. And so, as a scientist, the scientific method starts with observations, and then you're going to pose your questions. You need to do your background research. That means going to the library, which nowadays is a lot easier with the internet. And it means going out and observing the animals in question. It's very important, and that's a lot of what we do. Is we do these preliminary studies so that we can then come back and say, okay, now we're ready to ask the correct questions, and then design studies that have testable hypotheses in order to answer those questions. And it's important that we can test them, because that removes uncertainty and gives an answer that we can be confident in, based on objective results that we can share with other scientists and with the public. And that's essential to disseminate that information in order to complete a study, and then we go back again and we repeat that again and again in an iterative process. So through this process of the scientific method and repeating it, we start to amass knowledge and amass understanding, and can achieve amazing things. If you think about the scientific process developing some of the amazing technologies that we're aware of, how many people could design an airplane from scratch? It's not going to happen. We are standing on the shoulders of giants when it comes to science, and that is our role, is to further that research each time, so that those shoulders grow higher and higher and our understanding can be more complete.